Hi, this is Mark with Right Line Trading. It is 1/14, 2015. It's a Wednesday. And today we had a little bit of a tougher day. Um, I don't want to only post videos when we do outstandingly like we did yesterday. We had 3 trades and 3 winners. Let's want to show you our days where the trading is tougher. And this is one of those days. And let's take a look at gold first. Gold really respected the pivots amazingly. It just would not break a pivot today. And it was a very difficult market to trade. Now this is where I really got balled up. I lost 10 ticks here, -4 and -6. Now you'll notice there's no bias with either of these down moves. That's because market structure and support to the downside had not been broken. I anticipated that support would break, and we were very close to a break of support. Because if you look over here, when support finally did break, right here immediately kicked in bias, down bias. It just wouldn't do it. Now we're on a runner. We start with a 7-tick trailer, and every time we move up a tick, the stop moves up a tick. This moved up 3 ticks, and we were out at -4. I went right back in, and it went 1 tick, and we were out at -6. That was, that's tough. But that's trading. Trading is not easy. Now this was a move to the upside. Retracement. Very nice move to the upside. I didn't take it because we didn't have bias. And of course, it flew. But it was a very risky trade. It was right into multiple areas of resistance to the upside on higher time frames. And market structure was really poor. So I just did not take that trade. And this is a trade that occurred. It's much later in the day. This is a beautiful trade. Just the room is long since closed. If you trade this all day, obviously you're gonna have other opportunities. That's why I never rush a trade, because I always know I'm going to get opportunities to trade. Now, right here, there was nothing to trade here on the ES. It was just a very choppy market. This move was way off the modified 15. Look, I mean, this is all chop. And this move up was just a shaky move, all off of support. Very risky to take. I took this perfect trade, but I took it into a pivot, and it cost me 3 ticks. Like I said, very respectful of pivots today. This is well after the room closed. We had some beautiful trades. There's the opening of the Russell. You see the Auto Trader took this trade. Oh, I'm sorry, I took this trade. The Auto Trader took this trade. And this was the only trade it took. It made 7 ticks, $140. And we took this move up, retracement, up for 30 ticks. Now, I did not take this trade. I was just sketching it out to see if it worked, and it just barely did. But I did take this trade. The move up, the retracement, up for 6. I tried to get into this trade. I didn't get my hand on the button fast enough. This is a beautiful move to the upside right here. Which cost us a winner. Now this was a very nice move to the upside. I missed also. It's a break, a retracement right back into the 50, coming right off the 50. I tried to get that button pressed. I just didn't get it pressed fast enough. And by the time I got it in, the order was rejected. And up it went for a full target. Now, this was a risky trade I took on a break, on a move down, retracement, 50's down, 15's down, and it pushed down a few ticks, sat, took it out at -1. Then the same trade recurred, this time much better setup. Completely below the 50, the break, the retracement, the move down, went down 15 ticks. You see we had bias, 15's down hard, 50's down hard. Beautiful setup here with order flow and momentum. This was not quite as nice, and when I saw it stall out, got out of the trade quick. And that was it. We closed up the room at 11:45. And here's and not long after, that's definitely a trade I would have taken. Down for a huge amount. It's a 29-tick trade. Just don't know when these trades are going to appear. The market just appeared to have completely petered out. And now it made some moves. Now I had run up a whole bunch of winners in a row, and I just pressed, and I wound up closing with a loser, which I obviously hate to do. Crude, there was nothing in the morning. There was some early morning great trades here. 8:19, 22 Eastern Standard, another 8:31, 10 Eastern Standard, two nice shorts. This was a long move that I should have taken. It would have been a really, really big winner. Held off, no bias. Went down really nicely. A lot of trades worked without bias, no problem. Another one, right up. And then I took this trade. It was the break, retracement, went nowhere. And I wound up losing. I put 8 ticks, but I lost 6 ticks. So it was a hard day for me. We had 9 trades, which is way too many. 4 winners and 5 losers. A lot of the losers were tiny, though. On the Russell, we had 30 ticks, 6 ticks, and 15 ticks. 2 huge trades, and we only lost 1 tick, and that's one of the losers. On crude, we had one loser for 6. On gold, I had +9. Those 2 trades at -4 and -6, and the ES for -3. Net ticks were +40. Net equity was $67.50 losing day. Auto Trader had 1 trade, 1 winner, which I showed you for 7 ticks for $140. So the tough days come, and you can see that there were lots of trading opportunities. For some reason, I just didn't look good to me when they were on the right edge, but in retrospect, they look good. That's what makes trading so tough. The right edge is probably the most difficult place to be that I can think of. It's like being on the edge of a cliff. This was probably a very, very valid long trade right here. So that's it for today. We had a little bit of a rugged day, but you know what? It's only a $67 drawdown plus commissions. Yesterday we had $500. So we're going to try to close out the week up $1,500 or more, and make it to our goal of a $1,000 week minimum. So please come on in and sign up for a free trial. Um, Go to www.rightlinetrading.com. There you'll see a link to our daily net equity in the trading room, our daily net equity for the auto trader, and there's a link. There's a contact us page link there where you can just send us an email. There's also the link for the free trial sign up. Email us at info@rightlinetrading.com or give us a call at 1-855-765-6681. We're here all the time. In fact, we're getting killed by emails and phone calls. So please give us a call, though. We really, really, really would like to hear from you. We don't hide our tough days. They're here, and I'm throwing one out right there for you right now. I mean, sometimes the market's tough, and I'll tell you, looking back on the day, I don't think I took any bad trades. The two losers on gold here were a little bit aggressive, but I really felt that gold was going to break. And when it did break right here, it flew. And this is what I anticipated happening. There's just a few nice setups that went long that just really, really worked great. And I should have taken them. And I'm just going to be a little bit more aggressive with those setups and keep my eyeballs peeled for those tomorrow. So listen, everyone, have a great day. We look forward to seeing you in the room. Take care.